Are you struggling with the command pip freeze, not showing any output after installing Python on Windows? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into this common issue and finding a solution together. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you're trying to set up something exciting like a Reddit bot and you hit a roadblock. It can feel like you're stuck in quicksand, right? But don't worry, we're here to help you out. Let's take a closer look at the situation. One user mentioned that after following a tutorial to install pip on Windows, they ran the command pip freeze, but got no output at all. They were left wondering if pip installed correctly or if there was another issue. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what could be causing pip freeze to show no output? It might be due to a few reasons, such as pip not being installed correctly, or it could be that there are no packages installed in your Python environment. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you verify your Python and pip installations effectively. First, the user should confirm that pip is installed correctly. They can do this by running a specific command in the command prompt. If pip is installed, the user should see the version number displayed. If not, they may need to reinstall pip. The next step is to ensure that the user is in the correct directory. Once in the correct directory, the user can try running pip freeze again. This command should list all installed packages. If pip freeze still shows no output, the user should check if they have installed any packages. They can do this by installing a package using pip. Finally, if the user continues to experience issues, they may want to check their Python environment variables to ensure everything is set up correctly. Fun fact, did you know that the name pip stands for pip installs packages? It's a handy tool that makes managing Python packages a breeze. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests that if pip freeze isn't showing any output, you can try using the command pip list instead. This command provides a list of installed packages, which can help verify your installation. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One user suggests that if pip freeze isn't showing anything, it might be because you only have the default packages installed. They recommend installing a new package and then running pip freeze again to see if it displays the installed packages. Here's the tip I promised. If you're still having trouble, consider using a virtual environment. This can help isolate your projects and manage dependencies more effectively. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot the pip freeze issue and get back to building your Reddit bot. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.